Good evening to Barbados and the wider Caribbean. Today is Friday, December 5th, 2025, and this is Operation Liberation. This evening I wish to bring a regional alert to the Caribbean region and beyond. A regional alert. This regional alert stems from information I received yesterday with regard to the fact that one of my assets that is currently in Italy was present at a dinner party where the CEO of BlackRock, Mr. Larry Fink, and Bill Gates were in conversation regarding the planning phases of the next pandemic, which was confirmed 2 hours later by a unified plan for countries to manage coronaviruses and COVID-19 and beyond, which was encompassed in a World Health Organization news media release. This is now confirmed that the next pandemic will be a weaponized form of H5N1 bird flu, and it is scheduled to be rolled out globally using the same COVID playbook as 2020. Somewhere around February of 2026. We happen to know that the Barbados Ministry of Health is already being briefed, and bird flu vaccines are more than likely incoming to Barbados already, if not being here already. We do expect that the Barbados Minister of Health, the WHO Executive Council Chair, Mr. Jerome Walcott, will make a statement on this in the near future. And we sure hope that he does, simply because we have just blown the whistle on what is being kept quiet. One of the most important things for the public to recognize is that the persons that will be most affected by this particular pathogen, a bioweaponized H5N1 pathogen, are the vaccinated individuals, those individuals who have taken a COVID-19 biological weapon injection that has completely compromised their immune system, will have no chance to fight this biological weapon. H5N1 strain that was developed using gain of function under the patent US 2008 0045472A1 was developed in concert with the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, the Health and Human Services of the United States of America, and the University of Pennsylvania, which then conducted most of the gain of function via the United States Army Medical Research Institute of Infectious Diseases, AMRIDS. Following the development of this particular strain, this weaponized strain of H5N1, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, via the University of Pennsylvania, awarded Anthony Fauci's company Moderna $176 million to produce H5N1 vaccines. To date, the United States government has placed orders for 500 million doses, which proves that this is a pandemic that is pre-planned for rollout in the very near future. For those of us living in the Caribbean region, those who have been vaccinated with the biological weapon of COVID-19, unfortunately, will be the first to die, including children who have taken MMR shots, HPV, and any other childhood vaccine containing the same contaminants and immune-compromised formulations of the COVID-19 shot. The most important thing that we have to recognize is that the rollout of the H3N2 vaccine, the flu vaccine that was rolled out previously in 2024 and earlier this year, 2025, was in order to carry out what's known as pathogenic priming in advance of H5N1. So anyone who has received that H3N2 flu vaccine will die within hours of exposure to the bioweaponized H5N1 pathogen. This is the reality. Realistically, we're looking at a mass death rate of 34,000 per month in larger cities. In small islands, we could be 150 a week. I do not wish to create fair amount of population, but this is to bring awareness of the reality of the criminal cartel who is behind it all. And that is the World Health Organization and PAHO. Thank you. Have a great evening.